What's up, guys? So it's the next morning. It's after Christmas, and Christmas over with. But yeah, guys. We still in our pajamas. Because we still haven't gotten our Christmas gifts. Well, he got his. I still haven't opened my Christmas gifts. Hold on, Virgil. I still haven't got my Christmas gifts. So yeah, I haven't brought them my Christmas gifts yet, and I'm still shopping for my cameraman gifts too. So yeah, but before I get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn y'all notification bell, and stay tuned for more videos, because there are some more Christmas gifts that are coming on Amazon. We just gonna have to wait for it, which is my stuff. And of course, I'm still doing a little bit of shopping too. So yeah, guys, so I might show y'all what I got already. Now I've already told him one thing that I was gonna get him, but he don't know what kind. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got for right now. And yeah, just give me a second. So guys, I've already got him 3 things. Well, he already opened up 3 things. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk right for real, y'all. He already opened up 3 things that I got him for Christmas. Y'all already seen that. But this is what I got for him. It's a poster. And it got one of his favorite characters in it. Let me see. Y'all see it? So yeah. That's what he likes. So I got him a poster. It's hot. Yeah. Okay. Also, guys, he has an outfit that he wants to get some shoes with it. So I went to Gabe's and I gave him this. These are the shoes that he was looking at. It's his, I think size 9. I think it's a size 9. But yeah, guys. So this is what he's gonna be rocking with. Okay. So that's the second one. I'm gonna get like a shoe box or something. Get a box or something to put them shoes in. But this is the bed right here that I was talking about. So yeah. So as y'all can see, it has 10 pieces in it. It has 10 pieces. It has all these in it that comes with it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Oh yeah, y'all can see it. But yeah, guys. And it's red and black. His favorite color is red. So yeah, I think that will look good. Hold on, give me a second, y'all. So guys, this is what it's gonna be looking like. I don't know if y'all see it, but this is what it's gonna look like. And it's a queen size. It's a queen size. So I might just wrap this up for him, since he don't know what kind of bed set that he's gonna get. So yeah, like I said, guys, just stay tuned and like this video and subscribe and tell your family and friends. Also, go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned.
Yeah, look at
Hey, Missy. Like this one, y'all.
Mommy.
Sugar Mama. Hey, Sugar Mama. Y'all can't wait until I get a cat. Oh my gosh. Dora. Hi, I'm Dora.
My pet.
Hey, Amber. Hey, Amber. Lindy. Hey, Lindy. Y'all, these cats cost $50. Some of them cost $50 and $60. And Angie cat. Angie cat. Hey. Hello.
Mommy.
I see you. Who are you? Yes, Oreo. This is Oreo. Hi. This is Annie. Hey, Annie. Hey, Annie.
Whoa.
That little thing just hiding in there.
What is?
I see him.
Hey, mommy, you know. Some more. Oh, so cute. Yeah. I'm on a board. You can play them. Oh.
Pretty, y'all. You see it?
Yeah, I see that. Look, at the moon, buddy. Mommy, at the moon.
You do? I see you.
Hi. Nanny.
It's nodding.
Nanny.
So guys, I'm back home. I gotta hurry up and do this before before he wanted to come or whatever. Anyways, I gotta hurry up and do this for real. So give me a second. I'm gonna start with this one, y'all. So yeah, guys, just give me a second and let me unwrap this. So. So guys, I haven't shown y'all these, but these just bags for the shoes, and I got some paper to cover it. So, that's it. After this, I'll be done. So guys, this is what it looks like. These are my presents right here that I did not open. Or I think one of it's his and the rest of mine, something like that. And I got this too. Hey King. Hey King. But yeah, y'all. This is all that's left that we have not opened, which is me and his. And if y'all have not go watch my last video of my son opening his presents, y'all go watch that before y'all watch this video too, if y'all have not done that. Also keep liking my videos and subscribing, and I'm trying to get help on my comments to get turned on, so y'all can comment it too. But yeah guys, just stay tuned. So guys, we are on our way to our family's house. I don't know if I'm gonna let y'all see them or not. I don't know, but if not, which is fine. It's just all up to them, whatever. But if we get anything, or if I get anything, or if he gets anything, I will let y'all know and show y'all what I got. But yeah, I'm on my way to our family's house, and yeah, I haven't seen them in a little bit. Yeah, so y'all just stay tuned and like this video if you have not done that already, and subscribe. And like I said, I am working on my comments to turn on, so y'all can comment too, because I would love to see comments too. So also, if I have not said this already, let's get to at least 5 likes on each of these videos. The first video that I just posted like 9 minutes ago, I just did it today. This is the second video that I'm making. And yeah, so let's get 50 likes on the first video, and let's get 50 likes on this video. And the fact that more presents coming on Amazon, I might have to make a third one, whenever they come. And I don't know if I want to do one by one or just wait until I get all of it. But yeah guys, y'all just stay tuned, and let's get 50 likes on that, on the last video that I will be posting. But this is the second video, not the third one, so remember that. Well, of course y'all gonna remember that, it's gonna be on the title. But yeah guys, just stay tuned.
Candy?
It's cotton candy. You can't open it right now.
Ooh, look at that. That's from TT.
But these are candies, y'all.
That's from TT.
Oh look, it's Paw Patrol too. It's a Paw
Paw
Patrol
Patrol.
stocking. So you got 2 stockings.
Mommy, you're kidding.
Mm.
Open it.
it. I ain't opening it this time for you. I ain't helping you this time.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
Wow.
What is it?
The car.
Oh, it's more cars.
Yeah.
That's from Day Day.
That's from Dee.
No, just stuck these in there.
Yeah.
Play this for him.
Ooh, a bug.
Uh-oh.
CD. Hold on. CDs, y'all. I think you said songs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna look at these. Damn, I don't know why I keep doing that.
I know that paper is. Whoa.
Hurry. What is it?
It's more cars.
That's from Rochelle. That was from Rochelle.
You need help? Ooh, I see a bag.
Put them back in there.
Okay. What is that? Batman? Batman cars?
Go TT.
Hold on, wait. Ooh. Yeah, a lot of cars, boy.
Get your candy cane off of the paper. Don't throw the paper away.
Ooh, what is that? What is that?
Okay.
It's what?
He can't finish opening it. Yeah.
Oh.
Shuggy. Yeah.
Here you go. Ooh. I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, hold on, y'all.
Baby.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Mhm.
That's from me.
That's from TT.
Yeah, I brought you that. Figure we start you
I
over.
want to wait. What is it? It's tools. Oh, so now you're gonna start fixing my car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said, yeah.
Make yourself off.
Yeah, he got toys was similar like that too, but yeah, he got toys like that too.
I think it's full belt that I wanted to get for him.
Oh, he also got a control car too. Thing. That's Oh, that's a control card?
Yeah. That's what the berries I gave you those things.
Hold on. Let me zoom up. Okay.
Let me get your haircut again. Unless you're gonna leave it like that.
Me like that. He really do like that though.
Let that motorcycle know.
Mhm. Hey, get it.
Oh shit. Oh man. You got me that trippy red. Is there something else in here? I can dig in. Yeah. Something told me not to get them.
What?
I said something told me not to get them. Yeah, I got something back to it. Something else in there?
Yours was louder. They already seen. They just trying to get your reaction at this point.
I fucking love it. It's my
Yeah,
It's just all my favorite color. I just fucking love it.
yeah.
Thank you, baby.
I'm really hoping this supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Shit, we got enough pillows now.
And that's supposed to be 4 pieces of queen sheets set. And then 1. Yeah. I think that was it. I'm not sure. We'll fix that. Alright. I'm starting with the small one though.
You want to start small?
I'm gonna start with the small ones. Like this one and this one. Calm down. But yeah. Virgil. Sit down. Watch TV. Goodness and Grace Garden Petals Shower Gel. So this is like bath stuff. I'm tired. But yeah, I got a sponge. Pretty much bath stuff. And this red nail polish. It's like a candy red or like a ruby red color. So guys, this is the next one. This is a auto safety kit. I think I have. Oh, okay. I finally got some bars, y'all. Then that reminds me, and I went to my family's house. Go ahead. So guys, this is the next one. Oh, this is my son. So he actually got two of these. I think.
Mine?
So that's one. So guys, this is the next one. This gotta be mine. Okay. Oh wait, skinny fit jeans.
That's yours.
Okay. I like the bottoms. How it is. It's the back. How it is. I like that. We'll find out. So guys, first thing first, this comes from my family. So first I'm gonna show y'all this bag. This from my mother. And I already know what's in here, but I'm gonna show y'all. This my son's right here. These are bubbles. He got a lot of bubbles. Like, he got a lot of bubbles. So, yeah. So, I just said. So, guys, the first thing, I got this hat from my mother. I might customize this or do something with it to make it look better. But I don't know what to go with it. Pretty much what I'm saying. This is the second thing. This is just a top, tank top, whatever. I said tank top. Oh my god. But y'all know what I'm saying. Go ahead and pause it. So guys, the last thing is this. This is a moonlight perfume, pretty much. I'm gonna open it for y'all real quick. Cause I'm really running out of time. This is what it looks like. And it really smells good. But yeah, guys.